In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase indent in Excel. Indentation is a simple formatting move that makes your worksheets clearer and easier to read. It creates visual structure, so labels, categories, and subitems stand out without changing your data. Think of it like adding a left margin inside a cell to show hierarchy or emphasize an entry. Start by selecting the cell that you want to format. A single click on the cell is all you need. You don't have to enter edit mode or change the content. You're just telling Excel which cell you want to affect. This keeps your data exactly as it is while you adjust how it looks. Next, click the Increase Indent button. You'll find it on the Home tab in the Alignment section. The icon usually looks like horizontal lines with a small arrow pointing to the right, and it may be labeled Increase Indent. If the label isn't visible, hovering over the icon will show a tooltip with its name. One click applies one level of indent, nudging your cell's content away from the edge to create that clean offset. If you want a deeper indent, simply click the same button again. Each click adds another level, so you can create a clear visual hierarchy for headings and subheadings, or distinguish totals from line items. As you do this, notice that nothing about the underlying value changes, only the presentation. Text, numbers, and even the results of formulas will indent visually while remaining fully usable for sorting, filtering, and calculations. The indent adds spacing inside the cell so your content stays aligned consistently with other formatting you've applied, like left, center, or right alignment and wrapped text. This approach is especially helpful on summary sheets, dashboards, and reports where you want quick scannability. For example, you might keep main categories unindented and then increase indent for subcategories to signal a relationship at a glance. It's a small touch that makes a big difference in readability, particularly when sharing files with colleagues or presenting data live. That's all there is to it. Click the cell you want to format, then click Increase Indent to shift the content and improve the layout. Use as many indent levels as you need to make the structure clear. With these two quick actions, your worksheet will look cleaner, more professional, and easier to navigate.